Now we are solving question number 14 of trigonometric functions. Question is the function f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 tan half x for x lies between 0 to pi. 0 is included, pi is excluded. State the range of f. State the exact value of f of 2 over 3 pi. Sketch the graph of y is equal to f of x and obtain an expression in terms of x for f inverse of x. Now, first इसमें आपने रेंज ऑफ f निकालनी है और x जो डोमेन है वो 0 is included till pi there. So for the first part, f of 0 will be equal to 3 minus 2 tangent of half into 0. This is going to be 3 minus 2 tangent of 0. So this is equal to 3 minus tangent of 0 is 0 and that thing is equal to 3. And till it is going to pi there. So it means the range of this function then would not equal to 3 OB, would less than 3 OB because after this value, x is going to be increased, that value is also increasing there. So that value will be subtracted from this value of 3 there. So range is less than or equal to 3 for this function of this trigonometric part there. Then in the second part, f of 2 pi by 3. So that thing is equal to 3 minus 2 tangent of half into x is 2 pi by 3. 2 and 2 cancel. So this will become 3 minus 2 tangent of pi by 3. That is equal to 3 minus 2 and tangent of pi by 3 is equal to root 3. So this value will become 3 minus 2 root 3 is the value of f of 2 pi by 3. Then in the third part, we have to draw the sketch of y is equal to f of x and that is equal to 3 minus 2 tangent of half x. We know trigonometric टेबल से जब हमने पीरियड देखना हो for the tangent function that is equal to pi over number of cycles जो उसने रिपीट करने आते हैं. So it should be equal to pi over half and that thing is equal to 2 pi. It means कि जो ग्राफ for this tangent function होगा that is equal to but our range is but pi by 2 our range is only 0 to pi there. So this graph which is up till 2 pi will become like that. Tangent of half x will be equal to 2 pi. This value will be equal to 5. Then because our domain is 0 to pi, So we will just get this coordinate value in the first part here. So we can write this thing as 0 to pi for this graph of tangent of half x. Then it is -2. So the same graph will be there, but instead of pi by 4, its value will become, here it is pi by 4, and that value is equal to 1. So this value will be equal to 2 tangent of half x, and at this value it will be equal to 2h. Then -2 tangent of half x, the graph will be like this. And this value is -2 there. Then -2 tangent of half x plus 3. Which is the exact graph of this y. So the whole graph will be translated 3 units upward. So the same graph will become like this. So this is the sketch of this graph of f of x, which is equal to 3 minus 2 tan of half x squared. Then in the last part, find the f inverse of x. So that is equal to y equal to 3 minus 2 tangent of half x. Then 2 tangent of half x is equal to 3 minus y. Tangent of half x is equal to 3 minus y over 2. Then half x is equal to tangent inverse of 3 minus y over 2. And x is equal to 2 tangent inverse of 3 minus y over 2. But we know that y is equal to f of x, then x is equal to f inverse of y. So this expression will become f inverse of y is equal to 2 tangent inverse of 3 minus y over 2. And finally, f inverse of x will replace y with x. That is equal to 2 tangent inverse of 3 minus x over 2, which is the final graph of f inverse of x there. So this is the solution of this question number 14 for this trigonometric functions there.